Welcome to our video. Today, we will show you an efficient packaging machine, automatic bag inserter machine, from bag inserter to loading and sealing. The whole process is automated, making your packaging work more time-saving and labor-saving. First, our bag inserter machine starts up, automatically opening and positioning the bags, ensuring that each bag is neatly positioned for loading. The unique automatic alignment function allows the bag openings to be accurately aligned, greatly improving bag inserter efficiency. The efficient loading system allows you to quickly process large orders to meet the needs of different customers. Our bag inserter machine can be used for a variety of materials, from granular, powdered to bulk items. After bag inserter, the bag enters the sealing stage. The automatic bag sealing device will quickly heat the bag mouth and seal it firmly to ensure the integrity and sealing of the product and avoid leakage and contamination. For powder products, accurate filling is essential. Our automatic sealing machine can achieve vacuum extraction without dust to ensure that powder products will not be extracted. It is also equipped with high-precision sensors to ensure that the weight and filling amount of each bag are accurate, effectively reducing waste and reducing costs. Our bag inserter machines are suitable for packaging needs in a variety of industries. Whether you need efficient bulk material packaging or precision product packaging with strict requirements on product sealing, it can provide a perfect solution. If you're interested in our bag inserter machines, please contact us. We look forward to working with you to provide quality packaging solutions for your business.